Hi guys, it's Saturday the 7th of April. I'm back at Tottenham's new stadium site just to see what's new and what's different. So I'm going to walk around the stadium now. So work continues here at the new stadium. Now they have been putting in a lot of glass panels this week on the upper part of this entrance. In the last couple of weeks there have been a lot of containers here, well obviously casing all of the glass panels. They are now gone. They have all been installed here for this entrance. It really does look incredible. It's nice as well when it's so clear, because I'm so used to when I come down here, you've got so many piles of material sat here, so it's nice to get a much clearer view. Now what fantastic timing. Work continues on the roof, and these are the eaves going on, which will go at the top. There are a pile of eaves sat here. Just as I was saying, all the glass is gone. There's a few more there as well. Great timing again. There is some steel going up as well. Every time I come here, I always seem to get shots like this of major pieces of steel or pieces of materials going up to be installed. It's not a coincidence. I think this is just happening all the time. Perhaps a little bit of luck. So yeah, I'm used to large pieces just hanging in the air. But if you think as well, I come down here on a Saturday when there are a reduced number of staff working, so imagine what it's like during the week. Now this week you've probably seen on social media that the seats are still being installed. A lot of seats have gone in this week, particularly on the upper stands, the west, the north and the east. So a lot of the navy blue seats are being installed at the moment, which is making the stadium looking pretty good. So you can see from this view there are only a few panels to go in now. A few at the top there. Now I mentioned the seats, but also I noticed there are now signs going into the new stadium as well, particularly on the concourses, the block signs that are going in. Now this is Tottenham's club shop. Europeans the biggest. I know a lot of people love me saying that. Now every week I seem to come down here now, we are getting clearer views of what is going on. There's a skylight there for the Tottenham experience. The casing for one of the LED screens, south stand. They really are cracking on with this. If you saw one of my videos a couple of weeks ago, I was told by a couple of Tottenham employees that this shop should open in July. This shop should open before the stadium opens in August or September. So no doubt they will be selling the brand new shirt that all of us fans and the new team will play in the first season at this new ground. So a lot more steel work has gone in this week. As you saw a couple of minutes ago, steel work is still going in. It is just as I thought though, when they completed the roof, or the roof lift should I say, it is now going at a rapid pace. It is moving very, very quick. I think when people start seeing the seats being installed, certainly on every stand, it does look very finished, and I think people then are getting very, very excited about it. But work is going on in every single area. Now, a couple of weeks ago I was very, very lucky to go inside the stadium, and I might add that very lucky to go inside the stadium without any seats there, so wherever I was walking it was very, very easy to get access. Now what a view! I'm at the junction of Church Road, and I must say this is one of my favourite views. So the work still continues on the hotel. Then you can get quite a clear view here of the roof lift. If you've seen any of the pictures this week on social media, such as the Tottenham Hotspur official Twitter, you will see that the seats have gone in, or some seats have gone in, and the stadium inside looks very, very clear. I know before, like a few weeks ago, it had a lot of wires around. There are still a lot of wires, but nowhere near as many as there was. So it's all looking pretty good inside. Usual stuff here on a Saturday morning, very, very busy. Just on that far side, not that you can see in this picture, but staircases have gone in, or has gone in on the other side, on the east stand side. So here you can see the pitch trays for the retractable pitch. Work continues, or did continue this week on the NFL pitch. And here we are at the east stand, the dedicated stand or entrance to the NFL. Now, just while I'm filming this stand, I would like to just say happy birthday to George Bailey, who is 12 this week, and also happy birthday to Andy Lodge. They both watch these videos every week, so thanks for that. Also, just going to say hello to the South Dorset Spurs group. Looking forward to meeting them next week. I've received hundreds and hundreds of messages in the last couple of weeks from people, so thank you very much for all of those messages. If I haven't replied to some of them yet, I will get around to it, but I do reply to every message that people send in, so thanks very much for that. And also a huge thank you. There's about 70 people this week, or since last Saturday, that donated to my Just Giving page. I'm actually doing a charity run on the starting on the 4th of June. I'll be doing it for 12 days. It's in aid of the Willow Foundation, which is Bob Wilson's charity. Fantastic charity. I'm now at just under £2,000 that we've raised for them, so highly delighted. So a big thank you to everybody who donated this week. If you would still like to donate, the link is below, so thank you. Right, back to the stadium. Well, it's all pretty quiet on this side, so it's all happening today on the west stand side and the south. I'm just in the school at the moment, and I've just seen this sign that I've not seen before. This pitch was opened by Ozzy Ardiles, 21st of November 93. That's when Ozzy would have been our manager. And that's this pitch, of course, which is right next door to the east stand. Now, the staircases that I was going on about earlier, these are them. These now go up. It's the corner of the east stand, and they go up to the south stand, which, of course, every time I point the camera up, you can just see these huge LED screen. Well, the casing anyway. And the view now from the Bill Nicholson pub. So I'm now in Worcester Avenue. This is the other side of the east stand. So this is the north stand at the moment, and it's looking pretty good. So work is continuing here. This will be the ticket office right next door to Lily White House, which is here. And this is the finished look. So they are continuing at the top of the roof with the eaves, as we saw earlier when I was at the front of the west stand. Hi guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also share it with friends and family that might like to see these videos as well. I'm now off to the Stoke game. Come on you Spurs.